Hello, my name is Liam. I am from New Zealand, but I have been living here in California for the last 7 years. The last 2 of which has been here inside this house. My wife Daisy and I have been renovating as many rooms as we possibly can ourselves, and realistically we've only had help with one section of the house where we've had to get contractors in to help us with the countertops. Otherwise, my wife and I have really just been doing all the renovations ourselves. So I kind of wanted to take you around the house. It's been 2 years since we've been living here, in which we have had a daughter. Her name is Scarlett. And yeah, let's go around this house and take a look. So immediately, as you can kind of see, we have let the side yard kind of overgrow, but we painted the fences white. They used to be this blue color. We then painted the house white and did a black trim all around the whole house. And then on our side yard over here, we planted some large, I can't remember what tree, jacaranda trees. And we put in some New Zealand fern trees. They're a little bit overgrown right now because we're right in the middle of summer, so they've been growing a lot lately. And then we did a little rock river pour with some black mulch. At the front of the house, we switched our lights out to this more like farm style house lights, and they are all smart bulbs that turn on at certain times. Right as we are filming this, I actually found that a wasp has been trying to make a home towards our front door. We have not had issues with wasps yet here in America. This is kind of my first time. So as you first come into the house, one of the biggest things that we did the first 4 days of living here is we de-popcorned the whole house. So all of the ceilings used to have popcorn ceilings, which was painted as well, so it made it terrible. We have this drop down in our kitchen where our lights drop down 1 foot, and then we basically did this whole kitchen. So as you can see here, there used to be a old overhang above the electric cooktop. That was one of the very first nights in the house. We took that down. Switched all the appliances out, which were original 1984 appliances, and put in some brand new matte black stainless steel. We switched the countertop out to this nice white quartz. Our sink is actually black as well, and then we spray painted the faucet a matte black and put some gold accents on it. It's been there for about 1.5 years now, and the spray paint's just starting to come off now. So as we moved in, Daisy was very pregnant. She had about 4 months to go until she was going to have Scarlett. So as we're looking at right here is Scarlett's room. This was a second project after the kitchen, after moving in now. So what we did with her room is on the ceiling, we did this Milky Way kind of pattern with some night lights, which is awesome. We painted the walls to this nice little light blue, almost like a teal color. And really not too much else in here, just kind of fresh coat of paint. And yeah, a nice simple basic room for Scarlett to live in. Our spare bedroom we did almost nothing with. We have put a couple decorations in here, as well as a 8-foot Eiffel Tower is sitting in this room ready to get moved out. Otherwise, yeah, the spare bedroom has not had anything happen to it. We are wanting to do a bit of a feature wall on the back. Other than that, nothing else. But when we do move across the hallway into our room, one thing that we did do is this dark green wall on the back. We only recently painted that in the last 6 months. But almost immediately in the first 4 months of living here, we added this wall. So as you can see here, it used to go all the way through to our bathroom, but I added these sliding doors, which kind of gives a little bit of privacy. There used to be an accordion door over on this side here, but we got rid of that and kind of opened the space up just a little bit more. We do have this storage cabinet right at the end of the hallway, which we painted to a white with some gold accents, and then we did the dark green again where we hang some pictures. Most recently, last month, I redid this whole bathroom. So this bathroom did cost us about $2,800, but we were able to redo the whole bathroom with brand new everything. New toilet, new vanity, lights, as well as the floor to ceiling tile. I made this alcove in the back here, which holds some things in there, and we have some of Daisy's artwork up on the wall. Almost every little bit of this house, any artwork that is in here, was made by Daisy. So in our living room over here, the only thing that we did was switch out the carpet, because it used to be this extremely uncomfortable carpet, and we got a nice soft one in here. Other than that, we really haven't done anything other than adding the fan, de-popcorning, and then painting the whole room to a very light blue grey colour. As we come out this way here, we come back into our dining room, where we obviously have the brand new kitchen, and again, nothing really happened in here except for switching out the light fixture and painting the walls. Daisy did paint this fireplace at the back. It used to be brown rocks, now it is a nice grey and almost realistic rock colour. This room here, it has been deemed kind of the gaming room. It does have, it used to have 2 PC set up, now it's just down to the 1 large computer setup, and just play lots of games on there when we have time for it. One of the favourite rooms in the house is going to be our backyard. So we hung these swinging chairs. These were hung in the first month of living here, and they are still holding up to today. We have our cat right here. Her name is Avery, and she is absolutely basking in the sun. We've got our pool table, dartboard, we've got music. Again, all we did here was basically just repaint the house. So it used to be this beige color, now it's nice and white. Alright, so as you see here, we've added this fire pit. It used to be a palm tree, and it used to be unwalkable. So this whole area actually used to be unwalkable territory. It was very, very sharp rocks, but we took out this palm tree. We put it on Facebook Marketplace, and someone came by, dug it up themselves, and we were able to grab all these pavers and lay them down. We've got a nice fire pit here, as well as the in-ground trampoline, which was no easy task. This is a lot of clay in our area. As we look towards the other side of the yard here, we have our brand new raised garden. This was done just in the last 2 months. We've got some rosemary as well as pumpkins growing in here. We've got some peppers, sweet peas, corn, cucumbers, and strawberries, I believe, in there growing right now. We've got this whole side yard, about 50 feet of side yard, which we have no idea what we're going to be doing. I am definitely going to be putting in 2 brand new planter boxes there, probably 8 foot by 3 foot. Otherwise, no plans with the rest of the side yard. We might be changing the fence out soon and then making it a little bit of a sliding gate so we can drive a vehicle back there, but kind of no plans. That is our house right now. There is still a lot of renovations to do and a lot of changes that me and Daisy want to make. But yeah, that's kind of it right now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed kind of seeing this. This is basically the first 2 years of living in this house, what we've been able to achieve. Yeah, if you're interested, follow. There's going to be some art projects that Daisy wants to do, as well as some woodworking things that I want to do around the house. So hopefully, if we can, I'm going to record it and upload it. Perfect. Well, have a good rest of your day, and I will catch you later. Bye.